Back in 2009, our science guy, Steve Spangler, teamed up with Kathy Sabine for a day of science fun at Coors Field. Little did they know they were helping to start an annual tradition of STEM Day with the Rockies, which draws nearly 15,000 science enthusiasts every year.
So to celebrate,
Steve
is with us again for another day of fun science, and he's got Kathy with him again, just like back in 2009.
Kids are going to devise a way for us to be able to drop a box that has their egg in it. Hopefully it'll survive. Now, Kathy, if I throw you an egg, for example, so can you play egg toss? Can you
I don't know.
Right.
It's been a while since I've done that.
Good job. Look at that. Toss back. Here we go. You're up. You're up. So in order for me to catch it, I can't hold solid, right? I've got to, there's a little time there for impact, and so we have to lessen it. Force times that the amount of time there gives us that impact, right?
Okay.
So if I really throw it far,
are you going to?
Yeah, if I really throw it far, you've got to slow it down. Ah, that's good. You got to slow it down.
You said we were doing it one time.
I know. But I wanted to show the kids at DSST what happens if it goes a little bit higher.
There's
you know
science
with the Rockies,
behind this mess, Mom.
So watch what's going to happen. Like, let's say there's a trampoline.
Do I take this?
Well, here, if it was just like this and you could catch on the trampoline, but that's not fun. So here, take it. Here, let's toss it way up in the air. Can we do it? Ready? Here we go. Hop. Come on, Kathy. Catch it. Look at that. You lessen the impact right there.
That's all I have to do,
No,
right?
do it again. Ready?
No!
Hop. Okay, come on. You can do it. Lessen that impact. Oh, Kath. No, it's because it bounced once.
I always scream. They hate it
so,
when I scream.
I know, but you did such a great job.
Oh
But what if
we could?
You want one more? All right. But then
Yeah.
I'm going to show you because
I'm
the
so
Rockies,
nervous.
we're going to throw it from the highest part.
No.
Ready? Hop. Come on, Kathy. You can catch it. And you did it. See? Ta-da.
2 out of 3 ain't bad, right?
No, that's fantastic. So now watch. Let's say you didn't have this, because kids
you
at
do
home
it.
don't have a trampoline,
No.
right? So here's what you do. This is the T-shirt, okay? So Darren, here, watch this. Toss it up in the air. Ready? Hop. And cling.
Oh, look.
Oh, ta-da. Look at that. Here we go. I'll give it to you again. Ready?
Oh.
Hop. Okay. You wait and see. Hop. That's what I'm looking for. You know how Savannah Banana does it? They throw it from the building way over there. I'm going to get better at this. We're going to have people on the field. It's going to be fantastic. Watch it, Darren. Hop.
It's going to be so much fun,
See, now
you guys.
I got it.
Come join us on the 23rd. You can come out.